Hey everybody, time for the digital marketing news this week. Got some great stuff this week. Let's dive in. So the first thing that happened this week is Google announced the launch of Smart Bidding Exploration. And this new opt-in feature, so you have to opt into it inside of Google Ads, will help find more queries and more audiences and capture more conversions inside of a Google Ads campaign. So you basically opt in and it's going to look for more opportunities to increase your conversions. The next thing that happened this week is Google rolled out more creative AI tools. So there's cinematic tools that they rolled out that turn images into videos. There's AI updates to Google's Product Studio, and that suggests trending campaign ideas, optimized titles, and product offers. And then there's a couple new things that happen in Merchant Center, such as customizable brand profiles, curated images, etc. The next thing, though, is more exciting. So Google came out with a big announcement at Marketing Live 2025, and they are going to be pushing out Google Marketing Advisor later this year. And this is an AI-powered assistant that is inside of your Chrome browser that makes marketing recommendations across Google properties. How fun is that? Really exciting to see this coming out. For example, it could help you identify missing tags, fix issues, or surface seasonal insights. I'm sure there's much more to it, and they'll be building on it over time, but very exciting. Also, Google has just launched a new training certification for marketers that's all based around AI. So that's a new certification. That's also news that just came out. I mean, hey, probably be putting the whole Ignite Visibility company through that one, but it helps you increase your knowledge of generative AI, and you can get a certification. You have to pay for the certification. It's $99, but the training is all free. And some of the things in it are basic concepts and terms, how Google Cloud tools help AI-powered work, how to get better results from AI, best practices for safe and responsible AI use. So check that out. Could be a good thing to do. Next item this week, do you know what IndexNow is? So IndexNow is from Microsoft, and it's a way to get your website indexed faster. And the news this week is that Microsoft Bing said that you should be doing schema.org in order to get picked up by IndexNow faster and to show up better inside of AI search results and AI in general. So kind of cool to see that recommendation of schema. If you don't know what schema is, it's code that goes inside of your web page that tells a search engine, or now AI in IndexNow, what the page is about. But the recommendations that they came out for, that they said they wanted you to put inside of your schema, were title, description, price, link, image, shipping, ID, brand, GTIN, MPN, date published, date modified. But you know what I would say is, don't stop there. It's obvious that AI and IndexNow, which helps feed into AI apparently within Microsoft, is looking at schema, like schema can better understand pages with schema on it. And that's because these are robots talking to robots, right? They speak each other's language if you put the schema in there. So all the more reason to be doing more schema. Next thing is there's new AI tools that have come to Google Gemini, and they were just announced this week at Google I/O. And some of them are Google Live camera and screen sharing to allow for real-time visual help. That's cool. Integration with Google Maps, Calendar, Tasks, and Keep. The ability to create calendar events from conversations. AI just can make that calendar event for you. Deep think abilities that allow the AI model to consider multiple solutions before responding. So it's getting smarter. It's considering different solutions. It's thinking before responding. AI is now. That's fun. Thought summaries to explain the reasoning behind the process. Wow. So AI is going to give you its thought summary on how it came to that conclusion after considering multiple scenarios. I like it. Thinking budgets to control costs, and MCP support to allow for integration with open source tools. Next time this week, Google announced major upgrades to AI mode. Okay, have you seen this? Check it out on your own computer right now. So AI mode is inside of Google search results, and it's a tab inside of Google search results. and it's new, and it's all based around AI. And so at the recent I/O Developer Conference, there have been upgrades that have come to AI mode inside of Google, including deep search to build expert level fully cited reports in minutes, live visual search. This one's cool. AI agents that can complete multi-step tasks, and improved shopping capabilities such as personalized visuals, virtual try-ons, and AI-powered checkouts. Really exciting to see that AI mode. Definitely seeing more people using these AI search engines and search features. So get your schema going, right? We just covered that. Don't forget, the schema helps with IndexNow. Next item this week, and the last item this week, is one I think we all saw coming, and that is Meta is creating the ability to unattach threads from Instagram. So they're testing this out, removing threads and Instagram connection, which has been in place. That's it for the digital marketing news this week. I'd love to hear what you thought about the news this week. I love chatting with you online. It's fun to just talk about this digital marketing landscape and topic that I love. I hope everything's going great with you, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.